When you have Creative Cloud Desktop downloaded to your device, it will advise you when you have a Lightroom Classic update. Go to Creative Cloud on your device. Ensure you are connected to a network and signed in. You could also sign into your Adobe account at https://account.adobe.com. And on the page with your plans, go to the plan where you have Lightroom Classic and click on Access Your Apps and Services. In Creative Cloud, go to the Apps section and Updates. The current updates available for your downloaded Adobe products will be listed. Next to Lightroom Classic, you will see the version number and a brief summary of what the update includes. Click on Update. A pop-up prompt will be given when the process is complete. When you open Lightroom after the update, you will be given prompts about the major updates and new features available. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.